Alright, so you're welcome back, and in this video we'll be teaching you how to deposit, that is send money from the POS machine to another account. Alright, so first thing to do is click on deposit and put the account number. Alright, 66644. Then you select the bank. Okay, so the bank is Zenith Bank, so tap on Zenith Bank and scroll to confirm that is this the person's account. When you have confirmed, you put the amount you want to send. So let's say I want to send 39,000. Let me say I want to send 39,000. Alright. Then use X. Whenever your keyboard is blocking, use X to go back. Then that's all. You don't need to put any other thing again. Just scroll to the end and say continue. Then we'll put the POS machine pin because you're sending from the POS out. Alright. Alright, so after you can see the transaction is approved. To deposit. This one is balance. This one is just withdrawal. Every transaction has a heading and will carry your company. Alright, so that's how I deposit from the machine.